Today we'll discuss Stephen's reduction reaction. You take here RCN, that is nitrile group, and treated with the mixture of tin chloride and hydrochloric acid. From the mixture of tin chloride, that is stannous chloride, and hydrochloric acid, you will get nascent hydrogen. When nascent hydrogen will come in contact with cyanide, that will form imine in this way. So triple bond is converted to double bond to satisfy the tetravalency of carbon and trivalency of nitrogen, and it is known as imine, which is further hydrolyzed in the presence of acid. Aldehyde is formed. So you can take any example, that is methyl cyanide or ethyl cyanide. Suppose you take here methyl group. The name of this compound is methyl cyanide, so that you will get the end product, that is acetaldehyde. So it is completely reduction reaction. From the mixture of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, nascent hydrogen will be formed. This is a inorganic reaction. So when SnCl2 will come in contact with hydrochloric acid, you will get SnCl4 and nascent hydrogen. And if you are interested to balance the reaction, here you can balance it. So 2 nascent hydrogen. So you can make the statement, when methyl cyanide is treated with the mixture of stannous chloride and hydrochloric acid, imine is formed, and that is further hydrolyzed in the presence of acid. Aldehyde is formed, that is acetaldehyde. Then the next reaction we will discuss, that is Attar's reaction. Very important, Attar's reaction. एटार साइंटिस्ट नेम तांको नारे नामित करा जायछि। तो यहाँ पर क्या करना पड़ेगा, तुमको टॉलुइन लेना पड़ेगा। यू टेक टॉलुइन. द अदर नेम ऑफ टॉलुइन इज मिथाइल बेंजीन. यू कैन राइट टॉलुइन और मिथाइल बेंजीन. तो मिथाइल बेंजीन सांगरे तमे नब क्रोमिल क्लोराइड. That is completely inorganic compound, chromyl chloride, in the presence of carbon disulfide catalyst. You write the name here, chromyl chloride. So here a brown complex is formed. What is that complex? That is chromium complex, which is brown in color. So OCrCl2OH is a group. You have to keep in your mind, one group is there, that is OCrCl2OH. OCrCl2OH, that is attached to carbon. So it is brown complex, but that is unstable. When you hydrolyzed again in the presence of acid, benzaldehyde is formed. Along with inorganic compound CrCl2OH whole 2. If you balance it, then 2 is multiplied. So this is benzaldehyde. सो एटाड रिएक्शन टा करिथिले टोलुइन क्रोमिल क्लोराइड संगे जेतले मिसिबो इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बन डाइसल्फाइड you will get the brown complex of chromium, then it is further hydrolyzed in the presence of acid, so that you will get benzaldehyde. So this is very important reaction.